If my love wasn't here with me tonight, I would live with you for just a little while. But I love you the same way as I love you now, and I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I can't be with you. If I would be at two places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you. Do I want to hold you in my arms tonight? I wouldn't take the chance, 'cause it won't be right. Maybe when we meet again some other time, 'cause tonight I only share my love with you. Believe me, I will share my love with you. Believe me, I will share.
Thank you for joining.
Welcome.